we're going to make Gouda sandwich with veggies. Daria, what do you think about this recipe?
I like the Gouda sandwich part, but I'm not too sure about the veggies
Okay,
part.
wait, I'll see you. You're gonna love it. Here are the ingredients. We prepared it before. We cut it in nice pieces. As you can see, they're very colorful. And Daria, can you tell me what they are?
Green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper, and black olives, a grilled bun.
And these are compliments. We save it for later. That's really nice. Okay, let's start. First, we take the bun out, and I grilled it before a bit. As you can see, it's brownish and a bit shiny. Then we cut it in half.
Yeah.
Okay, Daria? Now we have to add the cheese to the bun. We're going to use Gouda cheese and we're going to melt it. Daria, would you please go and get the Gouda cheese from the fridge for me?
Right on it, Captain.
Okay, that's my job. Thank you, Daria. Okay. Daria, can you go and get the pan out for me?
Okay.
Frying pan.
Captain.
Thank you. You're helping me a lot today. Okay. Okay, Daria. Would you please give me the cheese and with a spatula? You can put it in that small plate.
And the bun.
No, no,
Oh,
no. Just the cheese.
Spatula.
Thank you. Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Keep it here while we're waiting for the cheeses to get melted.
Can we put on some more cheese slices?
Okay, why not? Pass me some more cheese. Okay. Somebody likes Gouda cheese.
Because it's good.
Okay.
That
Let's
one
see.
looks like it's...
Yeah, it's already melted. Okay, now as you can see, the cheese is melted and ready. Now we can put it in the
bun.
Yes, let's go.
It looks like a pancake.
You're right. Okay, let's see. Daria, can you hold this side?
Yep.
Okay, look at this. Okay, be careful. Yes.
Okay.
Daria, now
Yeah.
you can add the veggies at the top
Make
of
sure
this
to get
cheese.
all of it.
Okay, now
So squishy and oozy.
what?
Oozy.
Okay. Yeah.
Like satisfying. How
Yeah.
it's like going
But
down.
please, you're not allowed to put your finger in it. I know what you want to do. Just bring the veggies and put it at the top, please. Great.
Bread. I like my burger to be full and big.
Okay.
Let's place the olives nice.
They look so nice. Now, what we have to do? We have to
Close the
close
bun.
it. Yummy. Look at this. Then,
I don't know how we're gonna fit this bun on.
no, wait.
Everything's
The
falling.
cheese is getting now. Okay.
Cheese is getting very, very
Oopsie.
watery.
Okay, where is my cherry tomato? Can you bring one for me from the
Yes,
fridge?
Captain.
Then, okay, they're washed and ready.
Oh, Mommy, can I put the a toothpicking?
Yes, yes, I know you love to do that. Okay. Put it there. Be careful. The tip is sharp. Okay. Put it in. Yes. Look at this. Lovely Gouda sandwich. It's all done. Okay. Now it's ready to go where?
In the lunchbox.
Go and get the lunchbox,
Okay,
please.
Captain.
That's my girl. Thank you, Daria. I'm sure you would love it, especially the green pepper. Okay. Where is the compliments?
And nuts.
Yes, blueberry and nuts.